Let me ask you, do you ever feel stressed, tired, burnt out? I know a lot of people do. Do you ever feel like no matter how much sleep you get, it's still difficult to drag yourself out of bed and get through your day and drum up enough enthusiasm to not only get through the day, but to take on the challenges that just keep coming? You ever feel that way? Well, do you ever feel like it's hard to influence yourself to keep going, much less to conquer the world? Well, if you have any of those kind of feelings, then I'm with you and I can help you. There's two things you need. You need alchemy and you need influence. Now, alchemy, simply, is the art and science of transmutation, taking something of low value, something that's difficult, and transmuting it into a gift, something of high value. Influence is the ability to influence yourself to keep moving forward no matter what life brings. So, if that makes sense to you, we have an upcoming event, November 17, 18, 19, a virtual event live on Zoom, and we'd love to have you come join. It's the last time we'll ever do it live, and all you've got to do is go to harmonicwealthglobal.com/event. harmonicwealthglobal.com/event. We have some really special opportunities for you if you enroll now. We'll see you there.